Guys, it's Melissa from the Melmar Group, and I've got a Dollar Tree fall craft for you. So if you want to know more, stay tuned. Okay, I have so many fall crafts that I want to do with you, and we have had sickness and family events and birthdays and all sorts of things that have taken my time away from doing videos on YouTube. But I have several crafts that I need to get done with you before all the Dollar Tree Halloween stuff is gone. So my hope is to get that done. I know I don't look fantastic today, but I knew if I did not come on today, that was just one more day that would go by without a video. So this is a really simple craft. I hope you like it. I'm going to show you how to take this candle and change it for every season of the year without using glue. So you can use the same candle and just swap it out, decorate it for the different seasons. So what you're going to need is a candle. And you're gonna want the ones, this is not a Dollar Tree one, but you're gonna want the ones that take the battery. And then you're gonna need some of these. These are the Scrub Buddies copper scourers. I chose them in the copper because my candles are cream, but if you get the white candles at Dollar Tree, you could do it with the silver scrubbers and it'd be great. And then for this fall craft, you're going to need some leaves. So the little scrubbers come like this. Let me pull a new one out to show you. They come pretty tight like this, right? So you just kind of start to pull it apart and you will see that it starts to kind of unravel, okay? And you get to where you have, sorry, this is stuck right here. You get to where you kind of have an end, okay? So, and you can open it up. So you pull this down as far as you need it to go for your candle, okay? And then what you do is you cut it off and you slide it on your candle, okay? Perfect. Let me make sure I get this all the way around. Okay, so you've got this cute little thing, and you could do it taller, you could do it shorter, you could do whatever. Then for fall, you take your Dollar Tree leaves and you stick them in and make them lie flat nicely for you, which of course they don't want to do on camera. And you can put them all around. I'm going to do this one faster, so I'm just sticking it in between the scourer and the candle. You can do it all the way around if you want. And then when you turn your candle on, your candle is totally decorated. Then when the season is over, you can take these out. And let's say it's Christmas time and there's something cute at the dollar store that would look cute on a candle. You could, do the silver liner, scourer, or keep with what you have, whatever, and then put that in. And then you could do Valentine's Day, you could do New Year's, you could do Easter, you could do 4th of July, you could do anything. But the point is, rather than going out and buying candles and like Mod Podging this stuff on and then only being able to use it for that time of the year, you can use the same candle year round. Now, if I were doing this off camera, I would be spending a little bit more time doing this. You might want to wrap some ribbon around it, something to try to finish off that edge. But it's a way that you can use your candles and not have to keep buying them. So that's my Dollar Tree craft for today. I hope that gives you some ideas, some things that you can do, and an inexpensive, fun way to spend 5 minutes and put a little fall into your life. So I hope everything is well. Like I said, stay tuned. If you've not subscribed, please do so. I have some fun crafts that I want to do. I just need to get the time to do them. And until next time, make it a great day. Thanks. Bye.